because I do suffer with tinnitus as well, the difference the hearing aids have even made for that, like it would be so loud in my ears that it's like a really loud ringing. When I'd be like stressed or whatever, it would nearly be like it would burst, and then it would like, scream in my ears. But since I've started wearing hearing aids, because they're blocking the sound nearly a little bit, I feel like everything around me is just so much clearer, because I'm not constantly listening to a ringing in my ears.